As you can see, this company paid me $110,358.88, and I didn't even have to sell a single PDF. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works so you can do the very same. So this very powerful strategy is very simple. It's something called CPA marketing, and CPA stands for cost per action. You don't have to sell anything to get paid, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So let's go over here to my PDF at PDF Vault. As you can see, here go my PDF right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my sales page URL right here. Let me grab the sales page. Let me copy it and paste it right here. This is my sales page URL for a product called the 14-Day Reconnection Protocol. So normally whenever somebody want a PDF, what they do is they click, yes, I want my marriage back, this PDF or whatever PDF it may be. They just click the call to action button and they are redirected to make a payment. That payment can be anything from $7 to $97. But with CPA marketing, they're not making no payment. What they are doing is they are going to a page that looks something like this right here. It's called a URL file locker. So this file locker will basically lock the file to the PDF. So basically what they'll have to do is once they click on this button right here, they will be redirected to this button right here to say begin download. So whenever they click begin download right here, they are asked to complete an offer. It says complete an offer below to continue. Enter for a Walmart gift card, enter for a Nike gift card now, get the latest gaming browser, Opera GX. So what happens is instead of making a payment, a person will enter one of these surveys right here, and these companies will pay us as the CPA marketers. We will get paid for driving traffic to these three offers right here, and the offers are continuously rotating nonstop. Me personally, I've made millions of dollars with CPA marketing. And I've done it over the years, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money because, again, nobody don't have to pull out their credit card. So whenever somebody complete one of these offers right here, you're not going to get paid $30, $40. Sometimes it's possible, but most time you're going to get paid anywhere from $1 all the way to like $7 every time somebody complete one of these offers right here. And the good thing about it, like the Walmart gift card one, I may get $1.50 for every time somebody submit their email address. So therefore, if I get 10 people a day, that's about $15 a day and about $450 a month without even selling anything. All I'm doing is collecting emails / leads for Walmart or whatever company it may be. So over here at PDF Vault, basically what you have to do is, this is my sales page right here at CPA Vault. But what you have to do is you have to go over here and you have to get the thank you page URL. Well, I don't have to do that. I'll go back and I'll go down here and get the thank you page URL. So basically when I go to this CPA marketing company right here and they say, okay, what is the locked URL? Basically the URL that people will be redirected to after they complete one of these offers right here. That is my thank you page URL. Now, if I am collecting payments, I will put this thank you page URL on the other side of Stripe. So if somebody make a $27 payment, they will be redirected to this locked URL right here. But instead, I'm not collecting payments. I am getting people to complete offers, and I'll make anywhere from $1 all the way up to $7 for every single simple action. And that's why it's called cost per action marketing, because you get paid for every single action that people take. If you're somebody that wants to learn this URL file locker strategy, this is CPA marketing, so this is one of the things that I am best at. I'm going to teach this inside of PDF Vault, so you will be able to, of course, promote the niche PDF, and you will be able to do it via CPA marketing, or you can do it by selling it. It's completely up to you. So it will be optional. You will have two different ways to monetize your PDF, but I will be teaching this inside of PDF Vault, so you can tap the link in the description of this video to tap into PDF Vault. And I don't know if you know or not, but I also launched a PDF Club. Now, the PDF Club is where we have all of the conversations at. This is our community. So you will also see the link in the description for the PDF Club as well. But I wanted to mention these because this is very important just in case you do want to tap into this strategy. Let me go over here to the sales page right here where on PDF Vault. I'll scroll down right here, and where it says checkout URL. So instead of checkout URL right here, it will be the locked URL right here. So let me click save right here. It will be the URL file locker link. So when I click get link right here and I click copy link, this will be the link right here that I will paste right here that people will be redirected to. And once they are clicking the call to action button right here, they will be redirected to the link that I just showed you right here, which is the 14-day reconnection protocol URL file locker. And once they click begin download, they submit one of these offers, they complete one of these offers right here. I will get paid every single time that that's happened. This is only one company right here that I've worked with, but one of the best companies is a company right here called CPA Lead. CPA Lead is a company that I've been working with for many years. This is one of the OGs in CPA marketing, and I've been working with them since 2010. Now, if I scroll down with CPA Lead, you can see all of the different CPA offers and the payouts that you will be able to receive from your PDFs by simply attaching CPA offers to PDF sales pages in order to get conversions and not have to make sales, and you're just focused on getting conversions. Now, of course, there's nothing wrong with selling a PDF because I sell them all day, every day, and you make more money. But this is most definitely the easiest way to do it because people don't have to pull out their debit and credit cards. And that's why I've personally always loved CPA marketing. When I first came online, I'm most known for CPA marketing, probably still to this day, because I've taught so many people CPA, and I've also made so much money doing CPA marketing. So many people, maybe even yourself, know me from CPA marketing, even more than digital marketing and selling digital products itself. So let me scroll down. As you can see, we have all different kind of offers right here. I'm sure you've heard of SoFi. I'm sure you've heard of DraftKings. I'm sure you've heard of TikTok, of course. Now, these are CPI offers right here. That's cost per install. So there's all kind of different offers. There's cost per action. Cost per action is when you get paid every time somebody submits their email address or their zip code. And cost per install every time somebody install an app. Now, of course, everybody got TikTok, but there may be a handful of people that don't got TikTok. So imagine somebody landing on your PDF sales page and they're clicking a call to action button and it says install this app and you'll get access to this PDF. Who wouldn't install an app instead of having to pay to access that PDF? Most people are going to install it immediately. Now, you will have some people to install it and uninstall it, but you still get paid whenever they install the app. It can be, again, anywhere from $1 to $5 to $7. And with CPA Lead, even more than that in some cases. But they install the app, they get access to the PDF right after they are redirected after the install. You get paid directly into your CPA Lead account or whatever company that it may be. And everybody's happy at the end of the day. So if we scroll down, we'll see CapCut is also a partner with CPA Lead. So overall, CPA marketing involves three different parties. It's the CPA company, like CPA Lead. Is yourself and people like me, of course, that are driving the traffic. And then you have the companies like CapCut and TikTok and DraftKings that want the leads. So the CPA company, of course, is the house of it all. And we are driving traffic to these offers right here in order to get paid. And if you scroll down right here on CPA Lead, you will be able to see all the different ways that you'll get paid. And they pay, I'm pretty sure, every single week. Now, when they send these payments out, I'm not even honestly paying attention to it because I'm not selling anything. So whenever I have CPA websites and PDFs up and running, this is something that I personally set it and forget it. And running traffic overall is super simple with this right here. And I'll explain why in just a second. But CPA marketing, once again, is super simple. And it's something that I've been doing many years. It's one of the first things I started doing online besides like selling on eBay. This was the thing right here that changed my life and that I first made my first $100,000 with and eventually my first $1 million with. It was the one and only CPA marketing. Now, these are the steps right here. Step 1, PDF landing page. You'll have a niche targeted PDF landing page. Step 2, the visitor completes an offer. Step 3, the visitor is redirected to download the PDF. Step 4, you get paid instantly. This is 10 times easier to promote because you get to make money by giving PDFs away for free. How can it get any more powerful than this? You giving away PDFs for free. All they're doing is completing an offer and you're making money every single time that happens. Now, you may be somebody to say, I don't want to make little money like $1, between $1 and $7. But what if you have 120 people a day complete an offer and you make $3 a pop? You'll make $360 a day. And in 30 days, you'll make $10,800. And this can simply be done if you are running Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or even putting your PDF all over Pinterest. This can be done and those visitors will rack up, because once you are promoting something in a way where people gain access to something for free, most of the time people are going to convert. And this is why I love CPA marketing. And this is why I've always done it behind the scenes. So if you are somebody that really want to tap into this method, I am going to teach it inside of PDF Vault. And I'm going to talk about it inside of the PDF Club. And both of those links are in the description of this video. But PDF Vault, as you can see, is already designed to really make this process super easy. I mean, you can have your own CPA URL file locker set up within minutes, probably 3 or 4 minutes max. And it's really possible and it's really easy once you are already inside of PDF Vault. So if you want to copy this strategy and go ahead and put this strategy to work, go ahead and tap the link in the description below. Choose which PDF you want to promote via PDF Vault. And not only can you do this the URL file locking way / CPA marketing, but you can also sell the PDF as well. But the first step is go ahead and tap into PDF Vault, because this is where this training video is going to be inside of the vault. So tap the link in the description. Go ahead and get started, because this right here is a life-changing strategy. It's a monetization method that most people are not talking about, but it's life-changing. And as you can see, it's probably the simplest way to earn online.